Hello friends! Today I am back with the finished winter photo book. Covers of this album measure 25 by 25 centimeters and are made of artificial leather. This album has 12 pages and 5 large insertable cards. I always wanted to know how to draw pretty and decorative letters. I was able to create these signs with the help of Kimberly Schreck's online class called Modern Brush Calligraphy. You can find it on Skillshare, who is also kindly sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can explore new skills or improve the existing ones. They offer thousands of different classes on topics such as illustration, hand lettering, journaling, crafts, and many more. In the previously mentioned class created by a professional calligrapher, I got to know the basic strokes in calligraphy, how to script the lowercase alphabet, and how to connect the letters. Class is also full of useful tips and tricks, such as which brush pen is the best for calligraphy and where to find them. I enjoyed exploring the world of calligraphy and trying it for the first time. I will happily return on Skillshare and watch another class by Kimberly where I will practice what I learned about the calligraphy and try to develop my own style. Classes on Skillshare are created specially for learning, which means there are no ads in between the videos. Join millions of creative and curious people for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. First 1,000 of you to use the link in the video description below will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and now let me show you the rest of this winter photo book.
calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace. And I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise man keeping watch, now it's midnight. And though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends. A gift that's heaven sent, is heaven sent to you and me. Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight. And though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all times, walking in our midnight wonderland. Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace. And I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking in our midnight wonderland. Walking through a midnight wonderland.
Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a tutorial for it. Let me know in the comments which element from this album you liked the most, and I will see you in the next video.